Hi, I'm Miles, the voice you'll hear when you start using Tootle, and I'll be your narrator for this video. Welcome to a brief tutorial of Tootle, your new travel companion with industry-first features like location-based audio narration based on your preferences. Stay for the whole video to learn about all the key features of the app. The first thing you'll need to do is download Tootle from the Apple App Store. Just click the Apple Store icon from the website. Next, you'll need to set up an account by tapping Sign Up as a new user at the bottom of the screen. You can create an account using your email address or by using your Google or Apple credentials. If you've chosen Apple or Google, just follow the prompts to establish your account. If you've chosen email, enter your email address and tap Get One-Time Password. Check your email for the one-time password and return to Tootle to verify. Create your unique password and you're all set. Next, you will set up your preferences. This will drive your overall experience in Tootle. The preferences you select can be changed at any time, but these are your default preferences. There are 6 categories: local lowdown, food and drink, entertainment and recreation, gas and EV, lodging, and shopping. Select the items that are of interest to you. These preferences will drive your experience with Tootle. You can completely turn off categories with the toggle switch. Let's take a quick look at some of the app features and functions. This is the home screen you'll see after you've signed up and logged in with your new credentials. Let's walk through the buttons on the home screen. The icons in various colors on the map represent recommendations based on your preferences. We'll touch more on this later in the video. There are 4 different map options to pick from. The default is driving, which takes traffic into consideration. You can use pinch to zoom on the map to take a closer look at the nearby recommendations. Recenter the map at any time. The button on the top left takes you to the main profile screen to make any changes to your settings. To update your general account settings, click the pencil button on the top right. The top right gear icon provides additional content about Tootle. The icon on the bottom left represents local lowdown. The local lowdown, audio narration, works when using the GPS navigation. When not navigating, you can access the text view as shown. You need to experience this firsthand while driving to truly appreciate the magic of this feature. While driving, you can turn the narration on and off with a toggle switch. The microphone button on the bottom right represents the Tootle chatbot, or Tootle Mic. You can ask anything related to travel and I'll help with suggestions. Now, let's touch on a couple basic features. Search and navigation. The Smart Search tool quickly finds specific addresses or businesses. Tap Search places to enter an address or business name. Select your destination, select your route and begin your journey. Whether you're on your way to a weekend getaway or searching for nearby recommendations from home, we've got you covered. Simply swipe up from the bottom and scroll through your personalized recommendations. There are several categories: food and drink, entertainment and recreation, gas and EV, lodging, and shopping. Make sure you set your preferences for the best experience. The suggestions are always close by to your current location. In addition to the on-demand recommendations that are just a swipe away, on the home screen, Tootle has destination recommendations called Tootle Tips. When you reach your destination, I'll remind you that Tootle Tips are available. These suggested activities are based on your preferences. You can access Tootle Tips by tapping Search Places, then the Tootle Tips icon at the bottom of the screen. Use the blue carousel on the top to horizontal scroll through your historical trips. In this example, you can see 2 recent trips, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and Pinehurst, North Carolina, with all the Tootle tips listed. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Keep an eye out for our upcoming key features video.